NBI probes Michelle D., Rian Ramos, and Samantha Panlilio. What's the truth? Explosive allegations have reached the National Bureau of Investigation. Celebrities Michelle D., Rian Ramos, and Samantha Panlilio are accused of serious illegal detention and torture by Ramos's former driver, Bonifacio Barro. Barro claims that on January 17th, he was forcibly taken to Ramos's condo, pressured to admit stealing an Ang Pao with sensitive photos, and detained for 3 days. He says D's bodyguards beat him and that D, Ramos, and Panlilio joined in. But here's the twist. Michelle D filed her own complaint, saying Barro assaulted her, leaving bruises on her arm. Barangay records even note Barro's dramatic escape attempt, jumping from the 39th floor down to the 25th using a gondola rope, before being caught and returned. The Makati prosecutor later junked the theft case against Barro, but the NBI says this new complaint is too serious to ignore. With claims of torture, conflicting timelines, and a non-bailable charge on the table, the nation is watching closely. Is this a shocking case of celebrity abuse or a driver's revenge gone too far? The NBI promises answers soon.
Sinimula na ng NBI ang pangangalap ng ebidensya kaugnay sa reklamo ng dating driver ng aktres. Ayon kay NBI spokesperson Palmer Malyari, sumailalim na rin sa medico legal ang biktima. Binalikan din ang mga lugar na posibleng pinangyarihan ng umano'y pang-aabuso at illegal detention.
Today, our agents went out to validate the statements, coordinated with the condominium officers in order to secure CCTV. We'll also be going to the telcos to secure any evidence of the communication, etc. And magkakaroon din ng coordination with the local police. So basically is validation and fact-finding nila.
Iginiit naman ng NBI na sinusubok pa rin nila ang kredibilidad ng nagre-reklamo.
Sa amin naman kasi, because we are evidence-based, hindi naman nangangahulugan na kapag nagpunta sa atin ng complainant, pinapaniwalaan natin. Ito po ay standard regardless kung sino po ang magpapile ng complaint o hindi, at kung sino o popular man ang hindi yung taong nireklamo. So it's a standard process that we do. We have to check the credibility and the truthfulness of the statements being offered by the victim or the complainants. And how do we do that? We have to take fieldworks in order to verify.
Mariin namang itinanggi ng kampo ng aktres at ng mga beauty queen ang akusasyon. Tanong ba ng kanilang legal counsel kung totoong umabot ng 3 araw ang sinasabing torture? Bakit tila hindi tugma sa mga pisikal na ebidensya o tinamong sugat, pasa at injuries ng dating driver ni Rian Ramos? Katawa-tawa at imposible rin daw ang kwento ng dating driver na tumalon siya sa bintana para makatakas. At wala rin daw si Michelle D sa Metro Manila noong January 17 kung kailan umano nagsimula ang pagpapahirap kay Totoy.
Pero records would show, even plane tickets ni Michelle, tapos there are also postings, mga pictures na nasa Iloilo si Michelle during that time, and she attended Miss Iloilo.
Hinala nila pag-ihiganti ang motibo ng driver. Sinambahan daw kasi ito ng kasong qualified theft ng actress at beauty queen. Balak naman nila mag-kontra-demanda ngayon ng libel laban kay Totoy.
Yung sinasabi ng lawyer na imposible siya mabugbog dahil si Michelle D wala na nung date na yun. May video ko, but I don't hold the video, at may mga nag-testify, pero padadala ko na rin sa inyo na totoo nga, wala siya, pero tapos na yung pangyayari, pabugbog kasi madaling araw po lumipad ng Iloilo.